Hello YouTube, I'm Musikev, and welcome to Zelda Month. I've been uploading one video a day on either this channel or my other channel, and at this point I've done all 10 top 10s on my Musikev Plays channel, and this is the second of two in-depth discussion series of the musical top 10s, being title songs in Zelda games. My sixth favorite title theme came from Link's Awakening. Link's Awakening was the first Zelda game that I have ever played. My nostalgia is pretty strong on this one for that reason. The composer, in contrast to the other Zelda games, was Kozue Ishikawa. Ishikawa also did music for Wario Land games and was part of the sound staff for Earthbound. I digress. Her composition in Link's Awakening is quite impressive, as she had to make each instrument do uniquely interesting things before the combination of all the instruments for the Ballad of the Windfish. But we are here to discuss the title theme. The title theme itself is very reminiscent of the more upbeat part of the original Legend of Zelda title music. I said that when I was making the list I would try to be fair to all iterations despite the advantages, but that's super hard to do, in hindsight. The original title theme deserves a space up this high as well, as many of the musical themes and motifs found their way into this title theme. Just to clarify, a theme or motif in the music is like a musical sentence, notes or rhythms in a specific order that represent a character, or in this case, an entire series. That was a quick little lesson. Now here's the longer one, the technology of the systems. The NES used a 5-channel sound chip, which featured 2 pulse wave channels with 8-octave range, a triangle wave, a noise channel, and 1 channel for sound effects. Okay, let me break that down a little bit better. Each channel can be considered as an instrument, able to code in a single line of music. The pulse waves are what are used for melody, the triangle wave sounds like a bass guitar, and the noise channel can really only do percussion. The Game Boy only had 4 channels but excelled at square waves or the electric guitar sounds, giving the notes a better quality, even if there were less of them. I guess I was being fair after all. Even if it drew its inspiration from the original, I think Awakening did the music better. Side note, if you like the idea of learning sound design in video games, I have lesson plans from my teaching days that I would love to turn into a video series. Any takers? Guys, it's my question of the day. You have to answer it. Sorry, back on point. The game I played was actually the DX edition, or the Deluxe edition, and that's the version that earns this spot. Honestly, I've never seen the original version, so my bad with knowing Zelda history here. Anyway, I love the ornamentation and music. When a basic melody is given additional notes in order to add to the performance, whether it's improvised by the performer or written in by the composer, they add excitement and class to the song itself. I think I've made my point. I don't really need to break down every single note of every song, especially when the song is just an ornamented version of a song that I already talked about. Be sure to like this video as well, since I like the validation. And make sure you subscribe so that I can see you all tomorrow as I continue the in-depth look at the top 10 title themes in Zelda games. If you've missed the list that I'm basing this on, or any other, the link to the playlist will be found below. I will see you all tomorrow.